Hey everybody, it's your boy Max. I'm back with another unboxing. So I got this today and I thought, why not unbox this? Can't go wrong with a little bit of culture. So yeah, for those who know what this is, then congratulations, you're cultured. And for the others, I guess, if you like figurines, hey, that's good too. So yeah, this is Mio from off-brand visual novel slash anime, I guess you could say, because it does have an OVA. And it is cast off as well, but I am not going to, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to show the cast off version because I don't really want to. So without further ado, let's bust this open. For those who know me, well, I'm pretty much going blind, so I'm going to try my best not to do anything stupid. So you've got the bench separately. This is always so carefully packaged, like a package inside a package. That's typical Japanese. I know it's just the base, but look, pretty solid. I like this. So I guess let's unwrap the main piece. And bam! Well, you're gonna have to take my word for it, but it's a cast-off, yes. Yeah, it forced me to remove this to get to the packaging, the shrink wrap, whatever it's called, like the plastic thing. So yeah, the top portion is definitely cast-off, but the bottom, I don't know. I'm not gonna try because I'm too scared to break it, I guess, and plus, let's continue and I'll show you the finished product. And there we go, here it is. Pretty nice, I've gotta say. Really, really nice figure. It's actually pretty big, it's not, because the price wasn't that expensive. I think it was about 120 bucks. The details are pretty nice. Like, I know I already did like a B-roll kind of thing, but I'm doing it again. The bench is pretty impressive. You gotta love some unusual basis. It's always nice. And yeah, so for those who don't know, this comes from a visual novel kind of series, I guess. Like I said at the beginning of the video, like I don't know if you can call this visual novel, to be honest, because it's not very detailed, but this is what it's from. And you got different characters, I guess. Didn't like this one as much, I'll be honest, but yeah, this one definitely. So if you know where to look at, you'll find it, I'm sure. Like, this is the all ages version. It's kind of a waste to buy it, if I'm being honest. But yeah, so it's fine, you know, it's nothing crazy. It's the right amount I like. I'm not called Max the Ichitaku for no reason, I guess. And for the cultured people out there, here it is. Pantsu shot. And bam, here she is in all of her glory. Yeah, glad I found some room for her, because it's getting a little bit crowded. As you can see there as well. I might display her differently, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, living up to my name a little bit once in a while, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.